You need to lay out a 45-degree offset, and when you search the internet, you find people saying use 1.414 or 0.707 and you'll be good to go. You believe them, but you aren't sure what those two numbers are or how they came up with them. Here's an example of a 45-degree piping offset. The offset uses 45-degree elbows to connect parallel pipes. Think back a few years, and unless you slept through class, you may remember learning about right-angled triangles. Back then, you probably labeled the sides as hypotenuse, adjacent, and opposite, or maybe you used the letters A, B, and C. And if you can't remember the equation for the sides, it's C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. In piping, C is the travel, A is the run or advance, and B is the set. And the equation then becomes travel squared is equal to run squared plus set squared. If you recall, a 45-degree right-angled triangle is special in that the two sides perpendicular to each other will always have the same length. That means if we know the length of one side, the run or the set, we can find the length of the travel. Travel becomes equal to the square root of run squared plus run squared, which becomes equal to the square root of 2 times run squared, and that becomes equal to the square root of 2 times the run. So travel is equal to the square root of 2 times the run, regardless of the length of the run or set. Square root of 2 is equal to 1.414, and 1.414 is simply a ratio equal to the travel divided by the run. Run divided by travel equal to 1 over 1.414 to equal 0.707.